How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So class, today is 13th of September 2021 and the day is Monday. Fine? So yesterday we discussed about LCM by prime factorization. LCM by prime factorization. So first of all, who will tell me what is LCM stands for? Ji Hanan, you tell me. Very good. LCM means lowest common multiple. Fine. Lowest or least common multiple. Now I am going to write lowest common multiple. Okay. Now, if you look at the board class, we have discussed LCM by prime factorization. Now, who will tell me what is prime factorization? क्या होती है prime factorization? जी, who will tell me? Husna, you tell me. Very good. Prime factorization is actually finding which prime numbers multiply together to make its original number. हम ऐसे प्राइम नंबर्स को फाइंड करते हैं जब हम मल्टीप्लाई उनको करें तो उससे क्या बन जाए हमारा ओरिजिनल नंबर. इज फाइंडिंग विच प्राइम नंबर्स multiply together to make its original number. Okay, let's suppose I have number 6. I will draw this vertical and horizontal line. This is the representation to find prime factorization. ऐसे ही class. Okay, now I want to find prime factorization of number 6. What would I do? Very good. I will find first of all divisibility rules. On which number the given number is divisible on. ठीक है? अब नंबर 6 के लिए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं नंबर 2 की divisibility. First of all, we will check divisibility rule for number 2 on number 6. So as you know, we have discussed the rule for number 2 is if the unit place ended with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, we will simply divide the given number on 2. Now I am going to start from 2 because it is satisfying the condition. Now 2, 3 times 6. Now 3 is the prime number, so I will start from 3. 3, 1 times 3. So the numbers which are common, when we will multiply together, if the original number becomes which is 6, then we can say that kind of factorization is known as prime factorization. Okay? Now, but topic is we want to find LCM by prime factorization. हमें तो क्या find out करना था? LCM by prime factorization. So for this, first of all, I have two numbers. Okay, I have two numbers. So very first I will find. Now class, if you look, the first number is 6 and the other is 12. Now I will find prime factorization of both numbers. So as we have done a while ago, which is 6. 2 से start करेंगे. We will start from 2, which is 2, 3 times 6. Okay, 2, 3 times 6. Now 3 is the prime number, so we will do by 1. 3, 1 times 3. This is the prime factorization of number 6. Now we have another number which is 12. Now, if you look class, we have a number which is at unit place is 2. And we have discussed the rule for divisibility of number 2 is if the unit place ended with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. We will simply divide it by 2 class. ऐसे ही है? Okay. Now 2 6 times 12. 2 6 times 12. Now 6 again we have its unit place. So we will simply do with 3. 2 3 times 6. Now 3 is a prime number, so we will write 3 1 times. Fine. Now in next step we will write both the numbers which is 6 and 12. I will do it. I will write it. Now I will write the multiplication of common factors which is like this 2 into 3. And what about the common factors of number 12 which is 2 multiplied by 2 then multiplied by 3. Now class, if you remember, we have done the same criteria for HCF. We have solved HCF by prime factorization in previous exercise. We have done all the way, all the structure in HCF as it is, but the difference in हम लोगों ने अब क्या करना है? In next step we will simply extract or circle the common factors and just multiply the numbers which are common, but which have done in HCF. But in this LCM we will first of all circle the numbers which are common and also multiply the number which are not common. Likewise in this I will extract the numbers which are common. I will write only one time. 2 is common in between of 2, so I will write only one time. 3 is common in both of them, so I will write only one time. And the end I have number 2 which is uncommon. I will write only one time. Fine. LCM में हम लोग याद रखने, you have to keep this thing in your mind class. When you have LCM, you will simply multiply the numbers which are common and not common in the end, okay? And after taking after solving HCF by prime factorization, you just multiply the numbers which are common. Fine. Now in the end I will multiply the numbers which are 2 into 3 is 6 and 6 into 2 is 12. So the LCM by prime factorization of 6 and 12 is 12. So class, this is all about which is related to your previous lesson. Now I have question number 5 from page number 46, exercise number 2F. Today we will do LCM the same criteria for which we have done yesterday, but today we have 3 numbers. We will do the same solution, but there is a difference. Here we have 3 numbers in this question. So now we will learn how to solve it when we have 3 numbers at a time. Okay? Exercise number 2F. Page number 46. Question number 5. Find the LCM by using prime factorization. Okay? Now I have A part 8, 16 and 24. Find the LCM of the following numbers. I will draw all the prime factorization numbers. Now I am going to start from number 8. Fine. So class, who will tell me what would I do for number 8? For which table I will start from? मैं कौन से टेबल से स्टार्ट होंगी क्लास प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करना नंबर 8 की? Very good. If you look, we have unit place for number 8 is 8. Simply 8 है. So we have discussed the rule for divisibility for number 8 is for number 2 is if the unit place ended with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So we will start from 2. Now I will take number 2. 2, how many times I will multiply to get 8? Ji, who tell me? Abdul Rahman? How many times I will multiply 2 to get 8? Very good. 2 4 times. 2 4 times 8. Now we have 4. Now by how many times I will multiply 2 to get 4? Very good. G. I will start from number 2. 2 2 times 4. Now we have in the end is 2. So I will do again 4 2. 2 1 times 2. Okay. Now we have another number which is 16. अब number 16 के लिए हम करेंगे. If you look the unit place, we have 6 at the end. So this is the rule for the divisibility for number 2 is if the unit place ended with 2, 4, 6, 8. 6 है, we will start from 2. How many times I will multiply 2 to get 16? Very good. 2 8 times. Okay? 2 8 times. Now class, by how many times I will multiply 2 to get 8? अब 8 की तो अभी हमने यहाँ पे की है. If you look here, so I will do the same. 2 4 times, 2 2 times, and 2 1 times. So this is the prime factorization of number 16. Now let's move towards next, which is number 24. अब 24 के लिए हमने prime factorization करनी है. What would we do? अब क्या करेंगे हम? We will start from 2. 2 1 times and 2 2 times 4. Okay? 2 2 times 4. Now class again we will do for number 2 because the unit place ended with 2. Is it clear class? Okay. Now Hanan, you tell me on by which number I will multiply by 2 to get 12. Very good. 2 6 times. 2 6 times. Now class we have number 6. अब 6 चाहिए हमें. Abdul Basit, you tell me by how many times I will multiply by 2 to get 6. Very good. 2 3 times. Now 3 is a prime number, so we will do by itself. We will take 3 1 times 3. Is it clear? Okay. So ये तो क्या होगी हमारी prime factorization for all 3 numbers which they have given to us. Now in next step I will write all the numbers and multiply the factors which are common in it. Okay? 8. Second is 16 and third is 24. Now for number 8, what are the common factors? Very good. 3 times of 2 I will multiply 3 times of 2. Which I have done, which I have written on the board. Now for number 16, 1 2 3 common factors. I will circle the common factors, which is first of all this. The second is this. If you look, there are three numbers here in this question. So the number which you will circle, it is involving in three of them. अगर वो तीनों में नहीं होगा, then you will not circle it. Fine. Now we will circle this again. This two which is involved in three of them, I will write only one time. Then multiplication sign. This two is involved in three of them, I will write only one time. Now this two will involved in three of them, I will write only one time. Now if you look class, we have two which is not common in this number and this number. So I will write here which is uncommon, and I will also write the number which is left in the end is 3. I will write that number also. Clear? Now in the end step, I will simply multiply the numbers which are in the end. 2 times 4. 2 times 4. 4 times 8. And 8 times 16. Then we have number 3. So we will simply multiply 16 into 3. Am I clear, class? What would we do in the end? Okay. I have two-digit number which is 16, and I want to multiply by 3, which is a single-digit number. Very good. Now I am going to multiply. You have to listen very carefully. Now, we all know when we will start any operation, either it is multiplication or addition or subtraction, we will always start it from this side, which is right side. Now I will read the table of 3 up to 6. 3 6 times. Who will tell me? Jishu Mama. Very good. 3 6 times 18. We have two-digit number. I will write 8 here, which is on right side, and 1 as a carry, like this. Fine. Now 3 1 times 3, and 3 plus 1 is 4. So in the end class, I have 48. I have 48. Now class, I am going to conclude this whole lesson. First of all, I have a statement in which we want to find the LCM of the following numbers, which are 3 in total, and we want to find this LCM by prime factorization. So I will do prime factorization of first number, which is 8, then 16, and then 24. In next step, I will write all the numbers at the side, and I will multiply all the numbers which are common in each number. In next step, I will extract all the common numbers. मैं one by one extract करूँगी. Then I will write only one time which is common in it. अब 2 common था, I will write only one time. 2 again common था, I will write one more time. Then I will write one more time, which is 2. And in the end, if you look, 2 and 3 which are still uncommon, not common, so you will write as it is, which is 2 into 3. After multiplication, the whole numbers, we have 40 and 48 in the end, which is your answer. So class, you have to practice question number 5, all parts in your notebook. If you find any difficulty related to this, you can ask me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.